Hello everyone, welcome all to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Samadhi and how it is different from deep sleep from the teachings of Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi. Watch this video completely to get better understanding about the topic. If you have any suggestion or doubt regarding this video, let me know in the comment section below. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon near it so that you don't miss any video updates. What is Samadhi? Holding on to reality is Samadhi. Samadhi is one's natural state. It is undercurrent in all three states. I is not in those states, but these states are in it. If we get Samadhi in our waking state, that will persist in deep sleep also. The distinction between conscious and unconscious belong to the realm of mind, which is transcended by the state of real self. The real self is conscious and unaffected. Even though the man sees the world after he has been in Samadhi state, the world will be taken only at its worth. That is to say, it is phenomena of the one reality. The true being can be realized only in Samadhi. What was then is also now, otherwise it cannot be reality or ever present being. What was in Samadhi is here and now too. Hold it, and it is your natural condition of being. Samadhi practice must lead to it. Sahaja Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Remaining in the primal, pure natural state without effort is called Sahaja Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Samadhi must be gained. It must be continuously practiced until Sahaja Samadhi result. Then there remains nothing more to do. The ever-present state is the natural state of Sahaja Samadhi. In Sahaja Samadhi, the mind has resolved itself into the self and has been lost. Differences and obstructions do not exist in that state. The driver sleeping on his moving cart is not aware of the motion of the cart because his mind is sunk in darkness. Similarly, in Sahaja Samadhi, Jnani remains unaware of his bodily activity because his mind has been resolved in the ecstasy of self. In Sahaja Samadhi, Jnani remains unaffected by the world. So many pictures passes over the cinema screen. Fire burns away everything, water trenches all, but the screen remains unaffected. The scenes are only phenomena which pass away, leaving the screen as it was. Similarly, the world phenomena simply passes on before him, leaving him unaffected. What is sleep? Merging in ignorance and remaining unaware of the world is sleep. How sleep is different from Samadhi? When the senses are merged in darkness, it is deep sleep. When merged in light, it is called Samadhi. Just as a passenger, when asleep in a carriage, is unaware of the motion and the halting of the carriage, similarly in Sahaja Samadhi, unaware of the happenings, waking, dream and deep sleep. In Samadhi, the head does not bend down because the senses are there, though inactive, whereas the heads bend down in sleep because the senses are merged in darkness. In Kevala Samadhi, the activities, both vital and mental, waking, dream and sleep, are only merged, ready to emerge after regaining the state other than Samadhi. In Sahaja Samadhi, the activities, both vital and mental, and the three states are destroyed, never to reappear. In sleep, the mind is alive, but merged in oblivion. In Kevala Samadhi, the mind is alive, but emerged in the light of self, like a bucket with rope lowered into the well that can be drawn out again. Sahaja Nirvikalpa Samadhi, the mind is dead, resolved into the self, like a river discharged into the ocean. Its identity has been lost, and which can never be redirected from the ocean once discharged into it. Thank you.